Hi guys, it's your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients, and you know it. So today we are making this juicy and finger-licking chicken kebab or chicken skewers. So let's go. So over here, I cut my chicken into biteable sizes. I am using chicken breasts, but you can use the chicken thigh, okay? So this is the preferred sizes I want for my chicken skewers. So now I add my seasoning, and please note I'll be listing all the ingredients in the description box, so you check it out, okay? So we're gonna mix this till they incorporate into each other, and then we set it aside. Over here I have my bell peppers and my onion, so I am gonna prep them. And here we are. So I'm gonna add them to my seasoned chicken and then stir. Then I add a little mixed spice, but please make sure you taste for salt, okay? So we are gonna allow this settle down for just about 3 to 5 minutes. Now these are my skewers. I have soaked them in water, so we are gonna begin with the assembling. You can see I am drizzling some little olive oil over my chicken. Now let's get to the assembling. So you can choose to arrange it any style you want. You can choose to use any bell peppers or any vegetable of your choice, okay? I want mine colorful, hence I'm using this colored pepper. So we are gonna repeat the process till we are done with the assembling. So here we are. So I have preheated my oven. So we're gonna grill this for about 10 to 15 minutes, 5 minutes on every side. Make sure it doesn't over grill or your chicken is gonna be very hard. You can't enjoy it. Once it becomes whitish, it means it is cooked. And voila! Just look at this. Our chicken kebab or chicken skewers is ready. You can enjoy it with anything you want to enjoy. I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. It's a doing of the Lord, and it is so marvelous in my eyes. If you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified, okay? If you like this video, just give your girl some thumbs up, like, comment, please share, and above all, subscribe so we go together, okay? I love you guys. See you in our next video whilst we enjoy some chicken skewers or chicken kebab. Bye bye.